Jesu, be still on this first Christmas morn. Was it only a dream? That's not how